Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one that came out of Meow Mall's Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code, the Ramen Raider, for a discount, if you like. This is Sapporo Ichiban Cups. Thank you. Sapporo Ichiban 50th anniversary CupStar Tonkotsu. Been around for a while. You notice it has a lid, and on the lid, obverse. That means the other side. It's got a fake autograph. Pardon me. Thank you. But it's from one of those multi-member boy band or girl band. It's a girl band. Onizuka 48 or something like that. So let's steep it. There it goes. Alright, so hope you're having a wonderful day. And I'm excited because, at least in my world, it's getting closer to my son's birthday, and it's getting closer to them going back to school, and yeah, goodness. Lots of goodness. Flavorful goodness. So that's a plus. But yeah, I like tonkotsu, that's for sure. Tonkotsu is wonderful stuff. Really curious about how this is going to fit in the bowl that I've selected. It's a bowl that I don't often use, but I've gotten some of the best shots out of it. Like, one was like beautiful. Beautiful. I'm wondering if I can... The lighting today is great for shooting over there on my platform. So we will see how it pans out. I think it'll go fine. Yeah. What is going on? I don't know. It's really interesting. There's so many things going on right now, at least in politics and in world affairs. There was a explosion in Beirut today. It sounds like Israel retaliated. I don't know. It's like, God. It's 2024. Can't we just be adult and like do nice things for each other? It's like, why doesn't Hezbollah just like bake a nice cake and go, you know what? Let's let bygones be bygones. Here's a cake, and then Israel can be like, wow, that was really nice of you. Here's we made you a cake too. Oh, that's great. So what do you want to do? I don't know. Let's go hang out. Okay. It's stupid. It's just like these ancient grudges, and they're never gonna change. There's nothing there's like, either unless, you know, one team completely obliterates other team. I don't know. Same thing with Palestine. Let's all eat cake. I don't know. I just don't know. Come on, grow up, everybody. Let's get civil. Make concessions. That's the thing here we have here too. There you got all these people that are like, oh, we're not going to do this unless this happens, and blah, 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 blah. Yeah, politics are jacked up. Governments are jacked up. Too many moving parts. Not interested. I'm fascinated right now. I really hope Kamala wins. I really do. We'll do our part. We'll vote for her. But aside from that, you know, I just can't believe they keep finding these people are like, I don't know. I don't know if I want to vote for her, if I want to vote for Trump. They had a whole thing about the black vote yesterday. It's like, this guy's like, I'm really excited about RFK Jr. It's like, are you freaking kidding me? What? Why? Nobody else is. Maybe like 2%. Your protest vote is just going to allow bad people to run your country. It doesn't help anybody except your ego. Good for you. Congratulations. Anybody voting for Trump, you got freaking suckered. You know, I swear I've had this before and I didn't like it as much, but this time I'm really digging on this. Yeah, if you voted for Trump and he won, I don't like you, but, you know, I won't hold it against you. I'll just be like, wow, you really did that? I do like that noodle. It almost seems like it is undercooked, but it is not. I'm guessing. It's really got a nice tooth to it. It's toothsome. And then it's got these little bits. Nice broth. Little chewy pork mince bit. That's good. That's really good. I kind of want to like hang out with that and eat it. You know, that's decent. Back a little. It's really hard to tell where it's sitting too with the shadow on it because it's black. I wanted a black one though. I've had a white one for so long. And there's definitely an overstock of noodle here, so I need to get rid of some of that. I think I might just have to just eat it. This is a really good variety, I gotta say. I don't feel like eating that much of it in quick succession. That's the tricky part with these cups. I want to showcase the broth as well as the noodle, and generally with cups and a lot of bowls, it's like, hey, look at all the food that we can put in this small package. And it's like, yeah, that's great, but if we're trying to like do a presentation of the product, it's not really all that conducive to it. So and then you get some of these little straggly bits. All right, let's try that. Now we need our last egg. Here she comes. Come on, egg. That was a good ratio of soy sauce to water for an egg that I was going to use yesterday and today. That's decent. It's got a nice color on it. If you put too much soy sauce, it'll start really going into that white, and that's no good, I don't think. Certainly going to reuse this marinade, as they call it. Yeah. And I need to get more scallion, that's for sure. I saw a weird thing today. So in my Facebook feed, there was a picture of what looked like Keanu Reeves holding up a Trump flag and being like, looking like a Trump supporter and asking for money. And it was just like, what? And then I looked it up. I'm like, I Googled it. I was like, Keanu Reeves, Trump supporter? And then there was like this big article that I found. Basically, there was a guy who was like a celebrity look-alike. And he was at a Trump event. And, yeah, definitely not him. But it had all this information about Keanu Reeves in the thing. I'm not like a big Keanu Reeves fan or anything. I just found that to be kind of weird. And it turned out that it was complete BS. So I hope Keanu Reeves goes ahead and sues the pants off those jerks. Well, they can keep their pants on, I suppose. Alright, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And like and subscribe. It helps everybody out. It's fun. Grab your friend's phone. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. They'll be inundated with my content, which they'll love. And they'll love you for it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
This thing is sped up way faster than you or I. The Ramen Rater made this using AI. Of crazy business, don't you think? Just eat your noodles and maybe some cheese.